Green Bay, Wisconsin is of course famous for some serious football, a tradition that extends to high school sports as well. But academics truly stand out at the Green Bay area public schools, where wireless LANs from Enterasys networks are enabling exciting advances in elementary and high school education. Since education is all about information, getting the right information into the hands and heads of students at any grade level is increasingly a function of having the right networks. And of course, that means wireless, using high-performance solutions from Enterasys. We spoke with Jeffrey Gibson, Director of Technology for the Green Bay Area Public School District, about how Enterasys is advancing education across 40 buildings, all covered by Enterasys Wi-Fi, with over 21,000 students, 2,000 teachers, and 6,000 mobile devices.
Well, we use the wireless network primarily for educational purposes. We've been expanding the number of mobile devices in classrooms and at all levels, particularly in the last year at the secondary level in our 10 secondary schools, where students in 6th and 9th grade this year are all receiving a wireless device to use in the classroom and to use at home. So that will be expanded to all grades 6 through 12 over the next 4 years. And we're also moving to the whole concept of an online collaborative environment for learning. We have implemented a base system that allows for teachers and classes to meet online in a social network that is a closed, secure network environment. So the wireless devices are part and parcel of that. You have to have them in order for this to work smoothly both at school and at home.
Byron Frelick is the network manager for the Green Bay Area Public Schools. With 1,170 APs, growing soon to around 1,400, and only 4 staff on his network team, the reliability and ease of use of the wireless LAN are critical to his success. With this in mind, we asked Byron about the capabilities of the Enterasys Management Console.
We've got they have a lot of tools in it. At my desk, I got 2 monitors, and one always has the wireless Enterasys stuff up on it in the screen. And right from the home screen, you can instantly see if any access point in the district is down. I mean, it'll show you. You just put the mouse over there, and it'll bring up. It'll tell you exactly which one is down, and usage. It shows on that front screen. It'll show you usage, and if you need more information, you just move the mouse over there. Opens up. It'll take you to that appropriate screen to show you what's going on. If you got high usage somewhere, percentage of users on an access point. Say, you end up with 50, 60 people on one access point or something, or actually that's not bad. If you ended, in one case we were setting them up, you had 100 people on an access point. And then you can see that and go, okay, I might need to get another access point in that area, or do something to take care of that problem.
Kindergarten teacher Leah Jakes loves the benefits of wireless for her more than enthusiastic class.
The engagement factor is huge. The children get to go on the iPads and they are so excited. They're on task. They are learning what I'm asking them to learn. And I'm also able to differentiate. If I would like to go on a different application, they can explore things to their level. So children that need more help with a certain area, they can go on an application that helps them with that, or they can increase their learning by going on a different application.
High school math teacher Matt Martin is also realizing benefits from the reliability and performance of the Enterasys solution.
As far as the service of the network, I think the best type of service is the one that you don't realize that is there, and it just is. And I think that's what they've done for us. They've created a service that, for the most part, is just there and it works. I'm very happy with the Enterasys wireless network.
We picked Enterasys for 2 main reasons. One was really the elegance of the design, and 2, the overall cost. And I guess there's going to be a third one, and that has to deal with a recognition of the professionalism of the Enterasys staff. As we went through a very comprehensive RFP process, we saw state-of-the-art technologies being implemented in the Enterasys systems that were not being implemented in others. So they were giving us added value over all of the other competitors from a design standpoint, and they did it at a lower cost. So how could the decision became easy in the end, because they were standing on the shoulders of everybody else. They were above everybody else easily.
We asked both Byron and Jeff what's next for the Enterasys wireless LAN.
We're in the process of I would say, upgrading to one-to-one. So when we originally installed it, it was coverage. And we did not do one-to-one, and now we're in the process in our secondary schools of rolling out where every high school student, every middle school student is going to have their own mini or netbook. So for that purpose, we needed to add more access points in our 10 secondary school locations.
We really want to move to cloud-based instructional environment and away from things having to be installed on the devices themselves, so that it'll be an anytime, anywhere sort of educational experience for the kids, and opening up all kinds of options for kids, whether it's online courses. We're definitely moving in that direction as well, to provide more access to online courses if that's what works for a child, a blended environment if that's what works for the child. So, but all of that requires a base that's dependent upon a very solid wireless. Currently what we're doing is actually, we have an installed wireless system that works great. We're in the process of increasing the density of that system so that it can support more devices, because we're increasing the number of devices dramatically over the next 4 years.
Innovation in any field depends upon high performance, reliable, and productive wireless networks. Thanks to innovative technologies and solutions from Enterasys Networks, the Green Bay Area Public Schools are leading the way in education today.